Hey everyone, welcome back to Consumer Heaven, your trusted guide to smart shopping and the best deals on Amazon. Ready to cook smarter, faster, and tastier in 2025? Electric pressure cookers have become a must-have in modern kitchens, combining convenience with flavor-packed results. Whether you're a busy parent, a student, or just someone who loves good food without the hassle, these devices do it all. Pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, and more. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric pressure cookers in 2025, all affordable, reliable, and designed to make your cooking routine effortless. If you want delicious meals without spending hours in the kitchen, stick around because you don't want to miss this. Number 5. Crock-Pot 6-Quart Cook and Carry Programmable Slow Cooker. Kicking off our list is the Crock-Pot 6-Quart Cook and Carry Programmable Slow Cooker. Perfect for families or batch cooking, it comes with a generous 6-quart capacity and a programmable digital timer, so your meals are always ready when you are. The stainless steel build is durable, and the secure carry lid makes it travel-friendly, great for potlucks, family gatherings, or even meal prep for the week. Just set it, forget it, and return to hot, flavorful food without babysitting the pot. Number 4. Instant Pot 6-Quart Whisper Quiet 9-in-1. At number 4, we have the Instant Pot Whisper Quiet 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker. This model delivers all the power of an Instant Pot, but with Whisper Quiet technology, so no more loud hissing while you cook. With 9 versatile cooking functions, including yogurt making and pressure cooking, it's perfect for families who want fast, flavorful meals without the noise. And with access to 800+ guided recipes through the free Instant Pot app, it's like having a personal chef in your pocket. Number 3. Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multi-Cooker. Next up is the legendary Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multi-Cooker, trusted by millions of home cooks worldwide. From pressure cooking and steaming to slow cooking and even sterilizing, this device takes the guesswork out of mealtime. The 6-quart size is perfect for families, and with 800+ app recipes available, you'll never run out of cooking inspiration. Fast, reliable, and foolproof, the Duo Plus is a kitchen staple in 2025. Number 2. Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker with Wi-Fi. Taking the runner-up spot is the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker. This is cooking taken to the next level with Wi-Fi connectivity, a built-in scale, and an automatic pressure release system. Best of all, it gives you access to 500+ guided recipes right on your device, helping you cook like a pro even if you're a beginner. From rice to roasts, the Chef IQ makes every meal smarter and stress-free. Number 1. Melty 12-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. And at number 1, we have the Melty 12-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, the ultimate all-in-one kitchen solution. This versatile 6-quart cooker can replace your rice cooker, steamer, yogurt maker, slow cooker, and so much more. With 12 cooking presets, you get perfect results every time, whether it's fluffy rice, hearty stews, or homemade yogurt. Its sleek stainless steel design not only looks modern, but also brings reliable performance to your kitchen. For effortless, flavorful meals at the push of a button, the Melty 12-in-1 is truly a game changer. And there you have it, our picks for the top 5 best electric pressure cookers in 2025. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly slow cooker, a whisper quiet multitasker, or a smart Wi-Fi model, there's something here for every home chef. Don't forget, all the Amazon Best Deal links are listed in the description below, so check them out if you're ready to upgrade your cooking game. Thanks for watching Consumer Heaven. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech and home essentials, and ring the bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Until next time, cook smarter, not harder.